Hello friends, so now it's time to attempt question number 10. So the question number 10 is the role of Indian diaspora in the polity and economy of American and European countries. So this is a very simple question. We usually read in newspapers, we see in the electronic media about the various Indian people in America and European countries, and playing a very big, powerful, decisive role in the economy and polity. You already know about these things, so we don't discuss much about this question. So we will just discuss the points. So role of Indian diaspora. So Indian diaspora is Indian people. ठीक है, तो सिंपल है रोल. अब आप इकोनॉमी में बोल सकते हैं. आप ऑलरेडी जानते हैं कि हेड्स ऑफ मैनी बिग powerful, you can say, big powerful corporate, you can say, corporate giants like गूगल, है ना. गूगल का क्या है, सत्य नडेला. सो इट इज माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, सॉरी, सुंदर पिचाई इज ऑफ गूगल. सुंदर पिचाई, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, सत्य नडेला. Then IBM you can check. Then Deloitte. Okay. Just a minute. So IBM, Deloitte. It is Nokia also. Nokia. Adobe. All the heads of these organizations are Indian. So thus they are influencing the economy of their country. American and European countries in a powerful manner or robust manner, you can say. How? Because they are the head of these big corporate giants. Thus, because these organizations are playing a very big role in the economy of their countries, and not their countries, but the entire globe. So you can estimate how important these organizations are for their countries, where their headquarters are there, from where they have originated. So thus, Indian people are playing a very big role, powerful role in shaping the economy. You can say in shaping the economy. In shaping the economy. ठीक है, ये तो इकोनॉमिक हो गया. नाउ यू कैन से पॉलिटिकल. पॉलिटिकल क्या है? आप जानते हैं कमला हैरिस, दैट इज इंडियन ओरिजिन. कमला हैरिस जो अभी वाइस प्रेसिडेंट हो गए हैं यूएस की, ठीक है ना. तो शी इज द करंट वाइस प्रेसिडेंट. सो शी इज occupying a very powerful position in our country, and she is of Indian origin. So you can say the people of India or the people of Indian origin, they are occupying very important powerful political positions also in their countries. Kamala Harris, plus you can say Canada minister. So I think he is defense minister. Canada defense minister. Just a minute. Canada defense. Oh, I suppose Canada defense minister. And UK parliamentarians. Many people are of Indian origin. UK parliamentarians. आप लॉर्ड मैग्नाथ देसाई के बारे में जानते ही हैं. दे आर ऑफ इंडियन ओरिजिन, ठीक है ना. एंड सीजन पॉलिटिशियंस ऑफ यूके. स्वराज पोल, ऑल ऑक्यूपाइंग, दे हैव ऑक्यूपाइड, अभी वो नहीं है, बट यूके पार्लियामेंटेरियन, कनाडा डिफेंस मिनिस्टर, इसके अलावा आप लिख सकते हैं कि भाई और कंट्रीज में भी ऑक्यूपाई कर रहे हैं, मॉरिशियस में भी कर रहे हैं, इंडियंस आर ऑक्यूपाइंग इंपॉर्टेंट पॉलिटिकल पोजीशन, मॉरिशियस, सेशेलस, गयाना, ठीक है ना, मैनी कंट्रीज, इंडोनेशिया, देन कनाडा, सिंगापुर, Malaysia. Okay, so this is the political, you can say the political positions. Then electoral power भी है, electoral power, क्योंकि substantial population है, electoral power substantial population in their countries, population of Indian in US, UK, यूके नहीं, पूरे आप यूरोपियन कंट्रीज में कह सकते हो, यूरोप। तो इसी वजह से क्या है ना, अब आप जानते हैं कि जब डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प दी फॉर्मर यूएस प्रेसिडेंट व्हेन ही केम टू इंडिया, सो ही एड्रेस्ड द इंडियन अमेरिकans, those who are Indian but Americans now, but those who are of Indian origin, because he knows that these people play a very decisive role in his electoral victory in the upcoming American elections. And Joe Biden also owes his success, because he has now won and has become the president of US. So he owes his success to the fundraiser events managed by the Indian American, because they have organized many fundraiser events, because India has actually supported Joe Biden as against the Donald Trump. So all politicians know that they play a very important and decisive role, so they definitely try to build make the policies for their betterment and try to influence them so that they can get their vote. So definitely they play very big electoral power. उसके अलावा इलेक्टोरल पावर के अलावा पॉलिटिकल हो गया, इकोनॉमिक हो गया, इलेक्टोरल हो गया, डिप्लोमेटिक भी प्ले करते हैं, कंट्रीज के रिलेशंस को स्ट्रेंथन करते हैं, डिप्लोमेटिक स्ट्रेंथन कर रहे हैं, जैसे इंडिया का रिलेशन विद यूएस हैज बीन स्ट्रेंथन्ड इन द लास्ट मेनी इयर्स, यू कैन से। एंड जो इंडिया यूएस न्यूक्लियर डील हुई थी, न्यूक्लियर डील, उसमें इंडियन डायस्पोरा ने स्ट्रॉन्ग रोल प्ले किया था टू बिल्ड द कंसेंसस और टू strike a deal, nuclear deal between India and US. So that is definitely beneficial for India, but for European countries and US it is also beneficial, because China is there in Asia. So to counter the influence of China, so all countries take refuge of India or take help of India to counter the influence. Then only they can get their influence in India. And also because India is very economic, India is a very rising economic and political power, it is rising in these areas. So these countries try to influence the India or try to maintain good relations with India. Why? To to get a good market, and political also, because India is growing in a robust manner, and it is playing a very important role in the Asian subcontinent. So to counter the influence of China and to have a say in the decision and politics of the Asia, so they try to build good relations with India. So in this manner, for this area, this Indian diaspora is playing a important role to build relations, diplomatic relations between US and EU vis-a-vis इंडिया, ठीक है ना। इसके अलावा सॉफ्ट पावर भी है ना इंडिया की, जो इंडिया का योगा है, इंडियन कुजिन्स हैं, ठीक है ना, और जो कल्चरल फेस्टिवल्स हैं, जैसे आप जानते ही हैं ये आईफा अवार्ड्स होते हैं, है ना, सो दे आर पार्ट ऑफ इंडियन सॉफ्ट पावर, कल्चरल इवेंट्स हैं, फेस्टिवल्स हैं, सो दे आर ऑल्सो, सो व्हाट कैन यू से, so they are playing a very important, powerful role, these events, these yoga, Indian cuisine. So this is actually a soft power of India. So the soft power of India has been, you can say, the soft power, you can say, the soft power of India can be manifested in these countries in the form of yoga, cuisines, festivals, ठीक है ना, events and so on. So manifestation of soft power of India, and that can only be possible due to the Indian diaspora living there. So that all this soft power also plays a very important role to strengthen the bilateral relations between India and US and India and European countries. So you can say, but because the question does not address this, is not asking this part, this is extra fact. But you can always say that this Indian diaspora is very important, playing a very important role in shaping the polity and economy. Plus, also it is acting as a soft power, because it is through Indian diaspora that these yoga events can be organized, Indian cuisines can be spread, and event festivals can be organized. So they are playing a very important role in spreading the soft power of India. So not only for these countries also, but for India also. So they are a very big, you can say, the the pivot of relations between these countries. Simple. And with this you can end the answer. Now we will move to question number 11. Thank you.